Hello everyone, welcome to the Central Academy School News Studio. I am Dev Krishna from class 9th
And I'm Anushka from class 8 speaking to you from the Central Academy School News Studio. Heartfelt greetings to all our viewers. Today we bring you the special coverage of the 79th Independence Day celebration at Central Academy School. The morning saw the proud gathering of our esteemed Director Ma'am, Mrs. Kavita Jhalani, Honorable Principal Sir, Mr. Jai Kishan Keswani, dedicated teachers and enthusiastic students, all united to honor the spirit of freedom.
The celebration commenced with a spectacular march past. Our students displayed perfect discipline and synchronization, marching with pride and patriotism. The entire gathering applauded their dedication and energy.
Each step resonated with courage and determination, truly reflecting the spirit of freedom.
Following the march past, the flag hosting ceremony took place. The tricolor was unfurled high and the entire school joined in singing the national anthem, honoring the sacrifices of our freedom fighters and celebrating the spirit of independence.
The fluttering tricolor against the clear sky reminded everyone of our nation's pride and unity.
After the flag hosting, the dignitaries inaugurated the event by lighting the lamp, beginning of the cultural program.
Along with this, the soulful Saraswati Vandana was performed, invoking the blessings of Goddess Saraswati for wisdom and knowledge.
A perfect start combining light, knowledge and devotion, truly inspiring. The cultural segment began with the patriotic guitar instrumental of Sare Jahan Se Acha, beautifully performed by our school choir. The melody set a deeply patriotic tone for the celebrations.
What a stirring start! The campus echoed with pride and love for our motherland.
Next, our little stars from nursery performed Nanna Munna Rahi Hu. Their innocence, energy and enthusiasm won hearts and brought smiles to everyone.
Adorable and full of life, these tiny tots reminded us that the spirit of patriotism starts young.
Then our head boy delivered a stirring speech reminding everyone of the sacrifices behind our freedom and motivating all to uphold the values of our nation.
Truly inspiring, the world very hard and prepared the audience for the next soulful performance.
Next, the group song O Desh Mere filled the air with emotion, harmony and patriotic spirit.
The beautiful voices echoed unity, love and devotion to our motherland.
Now, the young dancers of LKG presented I Love My India, followed by UKG with It Happens Only in India.
Their lively steps and charming smile brought a wave of joy, keeping the audience completely enthroned.
Then our head girl shared an inspiring speech on patriotism, responsibility and progress.
Her motivating words beautifully connected with the energetic performances of the LKG and UKG students, filling everyone with pride and hope.
Following the speech, Past Phase performed Kandho Se Milte Hain Kandhe and Class 2nd presented Teri Mitti Mein Mil Jawa.
Both performances were rhythmic, graceful and full of patriotic spirit. The audience was completely captivated.
The group song Utho Jawan Desh Ki followed, energizing everyone for the senior dance performances. Classes 5th and 6th then presented a dynamic dance, followed by classes 7th and 8th with their vibrant moves.
The energy was electrifying. Each step reflected discipline, talent and the vibrant spirit of our young students.
Our NCC cadets, who demonstrated exceptional dedication and discipline, were honored with medals and certificates.
These young achievers were felicitated by our esteemed Director Ma'am and Honorable Principal Sir, recognizing their hard work, courage and leadership.
Truly deserving recognition for their outstanding efforts. Following the award ceremony, our Honorable Principal Sir, Mr. Jai Kishan Keswani, addressed the gathering, emphasizing the importance of values, responsibility, and contributing positively to our nation.
लहराता रहे तिरंगा, इसी में हमारी शान है, सर ऊंचा रहे इसका जब तक हमने जान। परम श्रद्धेय डायरेक्टर मैडम, सेंट्रल एकेडमी स्कूल ग्वालियर का स्टाफ और प्यारे बच्चों, स्वतंत्रता दिवस पर मैं आप सभी को शुभकामनाएं देता हूं। अगर आप देखें सन 1947 को, तो 15 अगस्त 1947 का दिन भी शुक्रवार का था और आज भी शुक्रवार है। आज के दिन हमें अंग्रेजी हुकूमत से आज़ादी मिली थी और हमने अपना परचम लहराया। आज हम उन अमर शहीदों को याद करते हैं, स्वतंत्रता सेनानियों को याद करते हैं, राष्ट्रपिता महात्मा गांधी, पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू, भगत सिंह, राजगुरु, चंद्रशेखर और न जाने कितने ऐसे स्वतंत्रता सेनानी हैं जिन्होंने आजादी की लड़ाई लड़ी, कहीं हिंसा से और कहीं अहिंसा से। मैं हर देशवासी को आज के दिन की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं देता हूं और हमारे देश की सेना, चाहे वो वायु सेना हो, जल सेना हो या थल सेना हो, वो हमारे लिए हमेशा लड़ते हैं ताकि हम अपने घर में सुकून से रह सकें। मैं आज के दिन डॉक्टर्स को, इंजीनियर्स को, साइंटिस्ट को सादर नमन करता हूं क्योंकि वो कहीं ना कहीं किसी न किसी रूप में हमारे देश को आगे बढ़ा रहे हैं और इन सबसे ऊपर है हमारे शिक्षक साथी जो इन सबको बना रहे हैं। चाहे ऑपरेशन कारगिल हो, ऑपरेशन सिंदूर हो, कहीं भी हो, हमारा देश हमेशा आगे बढ़ता रहा है और बढ़ता रहेगा। और अंत में मैं एक बार फिर सभी को स्वतंत्रता दिवस की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं देता हूँ। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
Finally, our esteemed director ma'am, Mrs. Kavita Jhalani, shared her thoughts.
Respected principals, teachers, and my dear students. Today, we gather to celebrate a momentous occasion, India's Independence Day. We are independent from Britishers. So on this day, we celebrate the spirit of freedom and the sacrifices of our nation's heroes. As Mahatma Gandhi said, "My life is my message." We honor the message of our freedom fighters who gave us this gift of independence. And as Swami Vivekananda says, "Arise, awake, and stop not till the goal is reached." उठो, जागो और तब तक संघर्ष करो जब तक कि मंजिल प्राप्त ना हो जाए। So let us strive for greatness in our endeavors and contribute to our nation's progress. Thank you. जय हिंद, जय भारत।
Shared her thoughts, encouraging students to uphold the spirit of freedom, strive for excellence, and continue the legacy of India's proud citizens.
The celebration concluded with the distribution of sweets among all students, spreading happiness and leaving everyone with a sense of joy and pride.
It was indeed a memorable and inspiring day, celebrating freedom, talent, and patriotism.
Thank you for watching our special coverage of the 79th Independence Day celebration. If you wish to watch the full performances of each item, you can check out the individual videos uploaded in shorts on our channel. Stay connected with the Central Academy School official news channel to enjoy such exciting events and activities. And yes, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like the videos, and share your valuable comments to stay updated with all the latest happenings from Central Academy School News Studio.
We hope everyone enjoyed all the wonderful performances and inspiring speeches. Do remember to hit the like button, share your comments, and subscribe to support our channel and encouraging our young talents. Jai Hind.
Jai Hind.